Good day, welcome to multi-net design in the continuation of our 4-bedroom Ensuite design we are working on. So in the last episode we were able to create the plan. So we said the house have 2 living rooms. So we have an anteroom, a living room here, then dining, from dining. So whenever you come to another, this is the lobby, you come to another open bedroom, living room from here. So in the future prospect, you can decide to close it and make it into apartments. Some people will be using the back, while some people using the front. You can cover this one to 3-bedroom or 2-bedroom, depends on whatsoever. It's going to easily give you the first beautiful, the kind of design that is modern era. So that is why this is more unique. So you can study that. So let's go on and start the further development. So now I want to focus more on an elevation, but before then, we have not put the windows in this, so I'm going to do that straight up. I'm going to say window. So I start my window is just a simple window casement. Then I'm a fixed window, so I keep doing what I need to do straight up. So I'm going to use this. So 600 by 120 while I edit. So I'm going to duplicate so to retain the original. So then I will increase the height of this one to 1400. So I'm going to change the width to 600 properly. So it's a long form of window. So I'm going to choose this one to be 2100. So I start my process one after the other. So that is just it. So I go on to do this. So all the rooms are what? Cross ventilated. That's my priority, and I've gotten that in a definite way. So at least will you see any room here that is not ventilated crossly. So even this particular one is so you see it here now. So we can have a window here, then do this, then do this, do the same thing here, or you do the same thing as well here. So I'm not going to do this window properly. This window is going to take different form, so I'm not going to use any window here. So I leave it. I'm going to come back for something different. So put the same window at the store, and then the same long one at the toilet as well. That's done. So do it here. So this one, you have it here. So that's done. So you have window here, then you have window here. That's done. So now I think with us, I have everything in intact. I don't need to, yes, okay, like this one. So when you check through and find everything you want to do, so now look at it from 3D and see that at least a little bit sanity has come to it. So I want to continue to develop what I need to develop for a purpose. So I'm going to go to level 1 where I focus from this one. So I'm going to cover this one up. So I'm going to say architecture, model in place. So I'm going to use casement to do my work. Where I click OK. So go to say extrusion, then draw the extrusion from there by using the line. So I'm going to create it from there. So no, sorry, I'm supposed to use extrusion, not sweep. So I'm going to come back on that one. So I say quick sketch. So I say create. So extrusion is what I need to use. So I'm going to do it like this. So come in and expand that. So pick a point, then expand it to say offset 80. So offset 80, then you close it completely. So click finish, then you go back to start elevation. So from here you drag this up. It is not over yet, so you drag it up again. So this is what you get gotten here. So you copy this layer over another layer. So let's say copy this layer to 3 and put it on another layer. So I did that while on the normal. So all you just need to do is offset it without copy. So expand and sorry. So what you do is offset. So that offset, when you do, you say 80 offset without copy. So increase it like that. So when you click finish, you can come back to the elevation and reduce this. So it's just going to be like cap on it. So when you look at it from this 3D now, you have different perspective of this. So it's not over yet, so you still continue step by step, progress by progress. So I'm going to click finish here. So now the next thing I need to work on is the parts in which it's going to take for this to have a refilling of what I'm creating. So I'm going to go to level 1. So at the level 1, I'm going to bring this wall out, but not here, because I'm going to do different things entirely. So I will say this wall should be, actually the wall should follow through what I need to create, because it's part of the progress for what I'm doing. So I'm going to do that by extending it from here and leave it out. Let it align with this. Okay. So I think this wall too, this one should come out as well. So now I will do my work here by saying go to start elevation. So start elevation, now you drag this one. Where the problem is that it's going to collide with what I have within, but it doesn't matter. So let it be. So I'm going to raise this one up. So I think that is that level. So do the same thing here as well. Let it collapse. So now what I do is that I'm going to do the simple design format. Now this one I'm going to reduce this one inside. So let me quickly do that to the roof. Let me edit that by aligning it to internal part of this, because I'm still getting the wall. I'm going to soon go up and do the needful of what I want it to do. So I'm still focusing my target on it. So detach, yes. So now I have this one in place. So what I need to do now is that I will create this one. I need to work on this one as well. This one too have to come out. Understand? So this one too, they just have to come out. I'm going to take this one from here. So I'm going to work on them completely. So this one is going to shoot out, and while this one maintains some certain level of brevity. So now what I do here is that I will say create sweep. So I'm going to say components. Let's create some components. So from here now I will say casement. Just use casement to do whatever I want to do. I don't suppressy are not for me. So I'm going to say this one is being done. So let me go to site where I'm going to see all these hands. This is where I want to focus my attention on. So I'm going to say not extrusion, and this is sweep. While I use pick, so I will use this one to pick line, then the next to pick another line. So that's what I want to do on form. So I will drag this one to stay at this level, while this one come to stay at this level for now. So now we say finish. So I will say edit to provide elevation. So this is where I'm going to come now and do my drawing and do my design perfectly. So this is going to face here from this level. So I will draw it outside. So depends on the way I want it to go. So I'm going to do that by just like I'm going to draw. Let's have it like this. Now remember, if you are constructing this, you are not going to have this kind of thick wall. So it's going to be something different. So now I will just like, you have the way you construct it, but this is just for a drawing. And so I think we have issue with the lines. Okay, we'll say okay and okay. So to see the form that is taken from here, so you understand. So this is the formation for now, but this is not the end, because there's still more work to do on this particular design. So just look at it from 3D and see what we have created here. So you understand. So that's not the end for now, so we'll still continue by making our progress. So this one have what it takes. So what you just need to do, finish it, then align this one. Okay, then the same thing will be done when we get to this level. So the elevation are coming up one after the other. So the next thing I need to work on is the cover aspect of this. So sorry, I need to still edit this one by align this within inside. So I'm going to say finish. I finish it. So detach as well. So now I'm going to use the same this particular one and work this one out. So I'm going to say go to start elevation, then copy this and paste it. So constrain, paste it here, edit it, then edit again by saying edit sweep. So come to part, come to level 1 or level 2, wherever you know that you're going to see everything plainly. So I think we're still in the same realm, so you can, this time around you go round but not completely round. So you just go to external aspect, stop it here, do the same thing here as well, and then stop it here, click finish, then edit the profile, say it here. So say out elevation. So from here now, what you do, delete this, create this. So you see from here you stop here. So where you have this one now, you can just like have some bumps around here. So you click this one, then click up, you click here, click it again, click here, then click it, then you close. So click finish and click finish. So at this level, you can now go to this elevation and see, so other elevation and you see. So all those things are coming up little by little. So I'm going to go to west. So now I have this one in place. So what I need next is I need to create different things entirely here. So I'm going to use extrusion to do that straight up. So I will just use the same edit. So I'm going to say extrusion. So I'm using picking point here. So I'm going to use here, I will draw to come down. Then I'm going to draw the same thing while I stop here. So I'm going to check it out. If it fits what I'm creating, then I'll proceed. So extend it a little bit, come outside. Okay, so this is what I have, but I don't think I want something like this. I'll stand. Okay, I'll just leave it. So leave this like this. So what you do next is that you go to south elevation, west east elevation where you have it. So what you do is that extrusion, still going to use the same material, but this time around now you paste this one on top. So when you put it on top like this, so let it a little bit raised above this. So click finish. Look at this one 3D. Whether it gives different meaning. So I think he introduced another different kind of meaning to this. So that's how you create elevation based on the feeling and ideas that go around what you are creating. So for that, this is the elevation for this at this level. So in the next tutorial, we are going to add more to this elevation and bring more beautiful and aesthetical value to it. So this side and every other side. So every side is going to be touched. So you're going to understand now you create elevation by default. So thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. God bless you.